Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Emmanuel Ayodele. I am a fourth-year PhD candidate in the University of Leeds in the Institute of Robotics, Automation and Sensing. I think I will have to say that at the beginning of every video for my new subscribers. In this video, I want to speak on something that is very dear to me, and it's about why artificial intelligence algorithms keep misclassifying black people. In short, the solution is we need more black people in STEM research, even as high as PhD research. Let me tell you why. This video is going to be quite short. Hopefully it's not more than 5 minutes. I'll try not to rant beyond that time. First of all, we don't have enough black people in STEM research. We don't have enough black people doing PhD research in STEM, particularly in STEM, but I'm pretty sure it's like that in almost every field. But it's very important, especially in the area of artificial intelligence. So I'm going to show some articles here that have described the misclassification of black people more than other races. And this has a very big impact, because if a criminal is accused of, if a suspect is accused of committing a crime and the race is known as black, it means that the algorithm that has been purchased by the government can misclassify that person and send an innocent man to jail. And that would be a big shame. We need more black people in STEM research. I know there's so many areas, but one area that really bothers me because of my field is the area of artificial intelligence. There are so many articles that have described a major problem. Artificial intelligence algorithms are learning to be racist, to quote one of those articles. How are they learning to be racist? I'll tell you why. First of all, and perhaps the most important, black people are being misclassified more than white people or people of other races. And I'm not here to start a culture war, a race war. I'm just spitting facts. In this article, a black woman is seen to be more misclassified 10 times more than a white woman. Why is this happening? Two major reasons. One, there are not enough black people in the training data. As somebody who has developed a few artificial intelligence algorithms, one of these days I will attach a link to my Google Scholar. I know for a fact that the more training data you have, the more accurate your algorithm is. And the more training data you have in terms of race, the more black people you put in a sample, the more accurate it will be in classifying black people. But if that is not the case, then you're going to have low accuracy. Secondly, we don't even have enough black people doing research, doing PhD research. I know we're beginning to see an increase in number of programmers. That's very good. I'm really happy to see that. But programming compared to developing the algorithms is like it's more like baby food to adult food, if I can use that expression. So we need more black people doing PhD research for this. And secondly, like when it comes to changing the world in terms of innovation, we need innovation comes from research, from the R&D departments. The drugs that have changed the world have come from research. Google itself, who is the Google, which is the owner of YouTube, came from 2 PhD students and from their research project. There's so many works that have come from research. In fact, almost everything comes from research. And how can we change the world if we don't even have the ability to do the work needed to change the world? I'm going to speak in another video where I'm going to speak deeply like general about like why black people should do a PhD. But this misclassification of black people really bothered me, and I just felt like I should put out the video there just to speak on it. Like, so just to recap, 2 major reasons why this is happening, why misclassification of black people is happening. 1, not enough black people in training data, and 2, not enough black people even creating the algorithms. For example, how would you know to put enough black people if you're not black? I know that can come to you, but it's not going to be natural. If I'm taking an experiment and I have 10,000 and I'm supposed to have 10,000 participants or 1,000 participants, if most people look like me, if I was not black and most people in the experiment look like me, there's a very high chance that I will not be bothered about adding more diversity in my training data. But as a black person, that would come to my head: why are there not enough black people in this sample? And I would most likely look for more black people. It's the same reason why you see a lot of you've been seeing recently a lot of companies in their marketing getting caught for putting racist adverts. It's because there are not enough black people in the conversation, although some of them want to be famous, not necessarily famous, but like bad press. Any form of press is good press. But it's most likely because there are not enough people in the room who are black, who are able to say, wait a minute, this doesn't sound right. Also, I'm sure most people know of the various unethical experiments that have happened with black people, such as when the syphilis was tested as a vaccine on black people, but it wasn't. And even the vaccine that was tested on Nigerians, I think about 10-15 years ago, I'm going to put screenshots of all these things I'm saying. And you know one thing I just even realized? I want you to turn on your captions on YouTube now and see if it's able to detect what I'm saying properly. And I know you're going to say, oh, it's because of your accent, but actually I'm actually speaking English, but it's actually going to get it wrong. If you check it right now, tell me if it is, tell me in comments below if it's actually getting what I'm saying. Actually, it would be nice if you could start from the beginning of this video with the captions on and see if it actually gets my name correctly, gets what I'm saying correctly. And if it does not, it just shows you that not enough people with my accent have been placed in the training data. And that just proves my point. We need more black people, whether black, black in the UK, black in Europe, black in Africa, black in America, black in all the continents. We need more of us in the training data, whether it is for facial recognition, whether it is for voice recognition, and all other applications. We need more black people. And also in terms of the financial impact, in another video I really want to delve deeper into why black people need to put themselves not just at the forefront of sports, but in everything. You don't just train your child to be Project Messi, Project Ronaldo. You should also train your child to be Project Jeff Bezos or Project Mark Zuckerberg. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click on the like button, and if you want more of this, please subscribe. For the next few months, I'm going to be uploading regularly. I can't give you a timeline because I don't want to make promises that I can't keep, but just subscribe. And if you have any opinion, contradictory, or if you actually agree with me, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. Once again, Emmanuel Ayodele.